Suppose denoted with capital A. Here you can see this is 1, 2, 3. I am choosing the random numbers. It is not compulsory to take a specific number. Anything you take like that.
Yeah.
Look at that. This, how many rows are there? How many
3.
columns are there? 3 rows are there. 3 columns
Yeah.
are there. Such a matrix is called square matrix,
Okay.
where the column and rows are equal. If you want to take the one more example, this is 1 minus 1, 2, 0. Again, you see how many rows are there. First of all, we represent with a row,
2.
and this we read as by 2 by 2. 2 by 2
Yeah.
rows, 2 columns.
2
So this
rows, 2 columns.
example of 2 by 2 matrix. This is the example of 3 by 3. We can't read as 3 multiply by 3. We can read as 3 by 3. This represents the dimension of the matrix. Dimension of the matrix.
Matrix.
Okay, so 2 rows, 2 columns is square matrix. In our discussion, we have to go for maximum square matrix only.
Okay.
Then another definition is rectangle matrix. Rectangle matrix. What is that? Let us see the example. I don't want to go for a definition in brief. I am just taking the example to understand the concept. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
minus 1, 0, 1. Now tell me, what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and 3 columns.
2 into 3.
Don't read as 2 into 3. Read as 2 by
2 by
3.
3.
Yes.
Okay.
Rows and columns are not equal.
Yeah.
Understand? So such a matrix is called rectangular matrix.
Matrix.
One more example. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 4. How many rows are there now? 2 rows and
2 by 3.
yes. So such a matrix is called what? Rectangular matrix.
Rectangular matrix.
Okay. So we are discussing the definition of the matrices. Now
Okay.
next is important one, that is called identity or unit matrix.
Okay.
Identity matrix we can represent with unit matrix also. Look at that. Denoted with capital I. Capital I. Compulsory you have to denote with capital I. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Can you tell me what is the order? 3 rows,
3
3
by
columns.
3.
Okay. So there is a
Yeah.
special arrangement of the elements of this matrix. What is that arrangement? The first element of the first row is 1. And you
1.
see here 0, here 0, here 0, here 1. So especially you can notice one thing here. What we have to notice? The elements of diagonals are 1 and the rest of the elements are 0.
0.
Such a matrix is called identity matrix. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
One more example, if you take for 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 1. Again, the order will be 2 rows and 2 columns. And what you
Columns.
have noticed here, the elements of diagonals are 1, like that.
Yeah.
So there is a special arrangement of this special matrix, which is called identity matrix. Okay, and that
Okay.
white color, what I am indicating here, it is nothing
Diagonal.
but the
Diagonal.
diagonal. Diagonal will start from first element of the first row to the last element of the last row. ये diagonal यहाँ से start नहीं होता, उल्टा नहीं होता, middle में से भी नहीं होता.
Okay. जी.
First row of the first element to the last row of the last element. Understand? Next,
Yeah.
how the general representation of the matrix. general representation. General representation of the matrix.
Yeah.
Uh, This is A11, A12, 13. Okay. This is
Yeah.
21. This is 22. This is 23. This one
Okay.
31. This is 32. This is 33. What this numbers indicates, the suffix indicates where the element is located. Here this 1 represent that the element is in first row and is in first column. If this 2
Yes.
represent that the element should be lies present in the second row and third column. Similarly, if you take this example, this element is in third row and first column. First element represent the position of the row. This represent the position of the column. Like that,
Column.
generally we represent the matrix. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, I want to move on for some questions of 2 marks. I think you have the idea about the matrices. Are you getting everything 100%?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now we take some example questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, First question today, our discussion is find the trace of the matrix. If you know already, please let me know so that I can go for the next step. If we don't know, let us continue.
Okay.
Suppose we have one matrix here. Uh, as an example, I'm taking. Better take this example. 1,
Mm.
2, 3, 4, -1. See, I am not planning for these elements. The body of the matrix randomly
Okay.
I'm choosing. Okay.
Okay.
So if the question came like that, how to find out trace? So I will give you the small definition of trace. Trace of the matrix means it is equal to sum of elements of diagonals. Sum of elements of diagonals.
Mm.
Okay. So you need not to write anything, but calculator is required.
Okay.
Trace of A is equals to, because after the completion of this class, I will give you the PDF format of these notes. And moreover, the
Mhm.
recording of this class is available in my YouTube channel. The link I will share you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now
Okay.
you see what is the diagonal. Can you identify the diagonal? This is our diagonal.
1 minus 1 and 3.
Yes, we have to take the sum of this. So 1 plus -1 plus 3. So it is equal to 1. Plus into minus is -1 plus 3. And we already know that mathematics, you know, the plus minus
Yeah.
cancel. And then answer is what? 3.
Minus
So trace of this particular matrix will be 3.
3.
Like that, we can find out the trace. Now, next concept. Today, I'm taking only the basics. Okay, I'm not
Some of
entering to your syllabus. If you understand
okay.
the foundation, then the
Elements.
problem will become easy for you.
Yeah, matrix, sum of elements of. Sir, trace of the matrix is sum of the elements of the diagonal.
Yes, sum
Okay.
of the elements of diagonals.
Okay.
Okay.
If the question is mentioned as trace of the matrix, then we need to go for the diagonal.
Yes, we need to go to the diagonal and we have to find out the sum. If I ask you the example of this, can you find out the trace of this identity matrix and what is your answer?
Which one?
This one, identity matrix.
Okay. It's 1, 1, 1.
Then,
Then it's 1 plus or minus 1
no, why
plus
minus?
1.
Only adding.
Okay, yeah. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals
Answer.
to 3.
Got it. That's it. That's
Yeah.
it. Moving to
Okay.
the next. Next concept is determinant. Very, very important. Okay.
Okay.
How to find out determinant of any 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrices. Very important. Okay. Later on, when I am doing the problem, you should not ask me. Okay. You have to practice
Okay.
the same class. You have to listen the recording and you have to take a short notes. Okay. And that notes
Yeah,
should
I'm
be
taking the notes. Yeah.
keeping with you. Not now. Not now. It is not necessary now. After
Okay.
completion of class, you have to note down.
Okay.
Okay, now your turn. Tell me any body of the matrix which contains two rows and two columns. Your choice.
Uh, 1001.
You want to take that? Very simple.
Yeah.
1001. Okay. Can one question is there for you? Can I write this one is minus 0?
No.
No. Very good. Excellent answer. 0 should not be negative. It is a
Yeah.
wrong practice. Now I'm finding the
Yes.
determinant of this matrix. Determinant of any 2 by 2 matrix is equal to, the formula is A D minus BC. AD minus BC. Just comparing this matrix with this one. A, B, C, and D. Okay,
Okay.
just AD.
Okay.
Just plug in the formula. Plug in the formula, that is equal to AD. A into D is
Okay.
AD. A value is 1. B value is 1. 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0. Of course, 0 only. So 1 1 is a
Yeah.
1. Minus 0 means nothing but 1 only. So this is very simple. You have given the matrix. Don't give me this much of simple. Give me a hard matrix. Like,
1
sorry,
into 1 minus 0.
I'll take 3 by 3.
Okay.
Example of 3 by 3. 2 by 2 is very easy. AD minus BC is the formula. Very, very simple. Second example, if suppose we have the matrix like that, matrix A is
Okay.
equal to, I'm taking 3 by 3 now. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 3, minus 1, 4, 0, 1, minus 2, like that.
Okay.
Okay, now start your work.
3 by
If I
3.
if I ask you to find out determinant,
Did,
determinant is
yeah.
denoted by this
Yeah.
modulus and determinant both
Mod
are
A.
same. Mod A and determinant of A both will be the same.
Okay.
Now look at, for the 3 by 3 matrix, what is the rule? The rule is this one. First element we have to start with a positive number, second with
Okay.
negative, and then again positive. Now look at here how I'm going to start the solution. If you consider 1, corresponding column and row we have to neglect. Listen my words. I am neglecting this corresponding column. वो एलिमेंट
Okay.
जो रो में है वो रो को और वो कॉलम को नेग्लेक्ट करने के बाद क्या मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा आपको? -1, 4, 1, -2.
-2.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Now taking this second element, which is nothing but -2, corresponding column and row we have to neglect once again. So I'm getting 3, 4, 0, -2. Correct? 3, look at that. 3, 4, 0, minus corresponding column and corresponding row we have to neglect.
Okay.
Plus 3, along with the 3, again the corresponding column and row we neglect. 3 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Got it?
Yes.
Now 1 into, this is nothing but again this is become 2 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix formula AD minus BC. AD means
BC.
this into this.
Okay.
Minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2. Minus is there in our formula, 4 ones are 4. Like that. -2 into
Mhm.
this one, if you multiply, 3 2s are -6. And 0 into anything is 0. Plus 3 into, already you are the engineering student, 0 into anything is 0, that you know. 3
Yeah.
ones are 3. And minus into
One.
minus plus 0 into anything is 0.
0.
1 into how much it is? Tell me. 2 minus 4 is?
2.
Hmm?
2 minus
Oh,
4. Minus 2.
yes. Yes.
Minus 2.
It is
6.
nothing but
Minus
minus
6.
6 only. No need to
Yeah.
subtract 0. No meaning at
Yes.
all. 3 into 3
Because 0
only.
is 3.
It
Yeah.
is. Now plus into minus is minus. 1 twos are 2. Minus into minus
2
plus. 6 twos are
plus
12. Plus 3
12
threes are
plus
9.
6. 9. 9.
So 9 plus 12 is 21. Minus 2. 21 minus 2, 19 is your answer. This
Yeah.
is the way to find out the determinant.
Okay.
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 Next, we have to multiply any two matrices. Only basic class today.
Okay.
Multiplication of matrices. हो सकता है आपको ये सब कुछ पता है, but my duty is to show everything.
No, I know this, but I don't remember.
That's what.
Like
That's
after
what. That's
many
what.
years, I'm just going with this revision.
That's what. It is a foundation class.
Okay.
Now let us take some elements. So matrix A. Uh, can you tell me that? Don't say 1001, please.
Okay. I will go with 1,
Okay.
2, 4,
Okay.
um, 2,
Take
6.
no, that's enough. 2 by 2 only.
Oh
Take
yeah. Oh,
take some
sorry.
minus also. Take some minus also, so you better understand. Now next for
Okay.
B, tell me.
2 minus 1, 4 minus 3.
I'm taking 0 also.
Okay.
0 also I'm taking because maybe sometimes you get a 0 also. I am going to
Okay.
find out what happened if I am multiplying A into B.
Okay.
A into B. Okay. Next, to start our solution. Solution A into B, which is equal to, see, before moving to the answer, one thing we have to make sure. Can you tell me the order of this order? How many rows and how many columns are there?
2 by 2, 2 by 2.
It's 2 rows, 2 columns. Before multiplying, you have to check this condition. This one. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Yes.
Okay.
Number of columns in A is equal to. Number of columns in A is
Find
equal.
A into B.
Sign, no, where sign? Which sign? Yeah, find A into B.
Yeah.
We are multiplying. Before multiplying, we have to check this condition. Condition is number of number of columns. Number of columns in first matrix, that is A, should be equal to number of rows in B. अगर ये condition satisfy हो रहा, then only we can multiply. Otherwise, there is no need of multiply. We can say that. उसकी example भी मैं देता हूँ later on. We can say that matrix multiplication is not possible. You have to check this condition. Is this satisfying this condition? Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. A में जितने column में B में उतने row है.
Yes. 2 by
Yes,
2, 2 by 2.
so we can multiply.
Yeah.
We can multiply. So the rule is, यहाँ पर मैं इसका rule भी बता दूंगा आपको. Rule is first row into first column. First row into first column. First row
Okay.
into first
First column.
column. First column. Then first row into second column.
Okay.
Then second row. अच्छा देखो मैं लिख रहा हूँ कहाँ, सेकंड रो में लिख रहा हूँ. Second,
G.
sorry, second row into first column.
Okay.
This is second row. This is second row.
Into second column.
Yes, into second column. This is the rule. This is the condition.
Okay.
Condition we have to check. If condition satisfy, we can multiply. Let us multiply.
Yeah.
First row should multiply with the first column. This row should multiply with this column. Okay,
Okay.
let's start our
Okay.
work. 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. Correct? यू में हैव ए क्वेश्चन सर प्लस क्यों लिखे. प्लस क्यों लिखे, इसलिए कि यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट है और एक एलिमेंट है, दोनों को ऐड करना
G.
पड़ता है. ओके,
Okay.
फर्स्ट रो इनटू फर्स्ट कॉलम इज डन. फर्स्ट रो,
Okay.
दिस फर्स्ट रो should multiply with the first column
Yeah. 1 into minus 1.
plus plus
4 into.
minus 2 into 0.
Okay. Minus 2.
First row into first column is done. Then again from the first row, you have to multiply with the second column. ये लिखे ना रूल.
Okay. G.
Okay. So minus 2 into 0. Next. Yeah, this is second row into first column.
4 into 2
Very good. Plus
plus 2 into
2 into
4.
4. Wherever you are getting minus value, better to keep in a bracket.
Okay.
4 into minus 1, that will disturb you otherwise. 4 into minus
Into
1
minus
plus
1
2 into
plus.
0. Got it?
Yes.
The results are now 2 ones are 2, plus into minus minus, 2 fours are 8, plus into minus is minus, 1 ones are 1. And now you see this is very special. 0 into anything is 0. We need not to write here.
Okay.
Now here 4 twos are 8 plus 4 twos are 8. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And again this is a special case. 0 into anything is 0. We need not to write. Correct?
Okay.
Now let us further simplify. 2 minus 8 is how much?
6.
Hmm. 2 minus 8 is how much?
2 plus 2 plus into minus, right?
No, we are not multiplying, we are adding. I'm just asking the question, how much 2 minus 8? 2
2
minus 8 is
minus.
nothing but minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6 now.
mi- Yeah, minus 6. Oh, I have written only 6.
It is minus 6. It is minus 1. It's not your mistake. It is just a lack of practice.
Yeah,
16
it's 16 and minus 4.
and that's it.
Yeah.
You have to apply the rule. You have to see the condition and that's it. This is called
Yeah.
matrix multiplication. You want to go for one more example?
Yeah.
So before that, just give me a feedback that you understand or not.
Yeah, I'm
Everything.
getting. But I'm like just now, HOD I don't remember his name, sorry. He have shared me the timetable. So I don't have much time. I think I do have only for like 10 days. Then from July 1st, I'm gonna have the exam.
Mhm. 10 days only.
Yeah, from today. Because he said most probably July first week you will be having your exam. So just focus on maths and ECM paper, first year and second year, because that will be in just in next 10 days. And then you will have much time, like 20 days for the third year paper.
So then what you will do, tell me.
I'm so confused. Like just now, I was speaking to him only when you messaged me.
Okay, no problem. You just see. We If it is possible, we continue. Then otherwise, if you have a very less time, what we can do?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like if you make sure like if you explain me the major topics, it would be great.
Your major topic I can understand, but you don't have the basics now. Matrix multiplication, addition, subtraction,
Yeah,
determinant.
yeah, I have to get because matrix is something like you can score almost like 16 to 18 marks.
Yes, that's what. We
Yeah,
have
with the
not.
long question and the short questions. I still remember my faculty used to say that like easily you can score 16 to 18 marks from the matrix unit.
But tell me exactly how much time you have. Exactly how much time.
Just now he shared me the timetable. It's gonna start from wait, let me re see. Yeah. Uh, so theory examination is from 20 July to 31st July. This is
Okay,
June, right?
June. 20 July
Yeah.
means almost 1 month time now.
Yeah.
But you said only 10 days.
Oh, sorry. No. I thought it's June. Sorry, but it's July. Yeah, we have got time. We can do it.
Yeah, that's what I am asking you. If
Yeah,
you
yeah. It's written 20 July to 31st July is the exam.
see, I will tell you one thing frankly. If you are comfortable, then we continue. If you have doubts that we can complete or not, अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा डाउट हो सकता नहीं होता, होता नहीं होता, होता नहीं होता बोल तो फिर अपन स्टॉप कर देना ही बेहतर है. अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस है नहीं हो जाएगा.
नहीं सर 30 टाइम टेबल में तो मतलब डेट्स तो अभी मेरे हाथ में नहीं आए सर। बट
जी
उन्होंने जो टाइम अभी जो रिलीज हुआ उन्होंने वो भेजे कि 20 जुलाई से लेके 31st के बीच में फर्स्ट से फाइनल ईयर तक एग्जाम्स रहेंगे।
जी
नॉन ऑटोनमस वालों के जैसे कि मेरा है। हाँ, तो अभी एक महीना है ना, आज तो 11 जून है। लाइक 20 जुलाई मेरे मुझे भी ट्रैवल भी करके आना है ना।
जी
1 मंथ टाइम है ना सर, आज से अगर 11th है आज तो 20 जुलाई ना।
जी 1 मंथ टाइम है ऑलमोस्ट.
जी हाँ। जी हाँ। 1 मंथ है। लाइक मैं अगर 4 5 डेज भी ट्रैवलिंग में निकाल दी
4 5 डेज होता है
तो
ट्रैवलिंग को.
फिर मैं 4 5 डेज तो नहीं होगा सर, 2 दिन लगेंगे मुझे यहाँ से वहाँ, क्योंकि इट टेक्स 36 आवर्स।
ओके.
क्योंकि मैं लास्ट टाइम डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिव से आई तो मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब होगी, तो इस बार मैं वैसा नहीं आऊंगी। मैं होल्ड करके ही आऊंगी बीच में।
ओके.
जी लास्ट ईयर मैं मेरे हस्बैंड डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिव गए थे यहाँ से वहाँ। तो मैं वहाँ इंडिया में जाके बीमार पड़ गई थी,
ओके.
क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट में बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है। इवन सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस, सिंगापुर एयरपोर्ट तो बहुत बड़ा है, तो चलते चलते पैर तो बहुत दर्द होते हैं बाद में जब आप लैंड हो जाते हैं।
अच्छा.
जी।
देखिए अगर आपको कंफर्टेबल है, अगर आपको नहीं
नहीं, वन
कॉन्फिडेंस है.
मंथ टाइम है ना सर, एटलीस्ट 25 डेज तो है अभी
हाँ
मेरे
एटलीस्ट
हाथ में
अपन
आज से।
एक 3 4 यूनिट 3 यूनिट तो भी कॉन्फिडेंसली अपन कर सकते हैं अच्छे से.
जी हाँ। मेरे को कोई ऐसे हाई स्कोर मार्क्स तो नहीं लाना है, लाइक 75। बस अच्छे से अच्छे मार्क्स लाके
अब
पास
आपको
हो गए तो
कैसा
बस।
दिख रहा है आपको अभी तक इतने से एक सेक्शन हुआ अभी. मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन कर रहा आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसा दिख रहा. स्लो जा रहा हूँ क्या मैं
नहीं
बहुत
सब,
स्लो.
नहीं स्लो तो नहीं है, समझ में आ रहा मुझे। लेकिन इंशाल्लाह एक 2 3 क्लासेस के बाद आप थोड़ी अपनी स्पीड भी फास्ट कर दीजिए सर।
हाँ मेरा तो इशू नहीं है, मैं अभी स्पीड कर दे सकता हूँ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम से. बट आप उसको कैचअप कर सकते हैं क्या देखिए.
अच्छा ठीक है सर। क्योंकि
करेंगे.
ये मैं पढ़ के हूं ना, तो मेरे को ना अभी ऐसा दिख रहा है कि मैं चलो कुछ रिवाइंड हो रहा अभी मेरे दिमाग में कि अच्छा मैं ये पढ़ के थी, तो आप पढ़ाने के बाद फिर मैं को प्रैक्टिस भी करूंगी तो मैं इंशाल्लाह आ जाएगा।
चलो एक क्वेश्चन क्रैमर्स रूल का करेंगे, उसके बाद में अपन बात करेंगे।
जी। जी।
क्रैमर्स रूल।
ओके।
The Cramer's rule will understand you. It is given just to understand the concept of the determinants. How the question will come? Solve the equations, or we say that it is system of equations by using using Cramer's rule.
Okay.
This topic is only to understand the concept of determinants. And here we have the equations are 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. Okay, x minus y plus z is equals to 2. And then 5x plus 5y minus 4z is equal to 3. Okay, these are the equations. So what to do here is how we are going to start our solution.
So
Solution में
these
अपन
are the
को
these are the already given equations,
yes,
sir,
yes, yes. Solution
or
means
the
yellow.
question.
Yeah, solution is starting from yellow color.
Okay.
Okay, so this equations we have to convert into the matrix form. So how to convert? You see, conversion into the matrix. X, Y, Z coefficients we have to write. Here x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is -1, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is -1, z
Minus
coefficient is
1,
1, x coefficient is
5,
5,
1,
this is
minus
plus
4.
5, this is -4. Here the variables are x, y, z. And you see the right hand side values are 1, 2, 3.
3.
So this should be in a matrix form. The representation
Oh,
of matrix form will be like that. A into x is equal to B
A into X
is equal to B. This is
is
called
to be.
matrix form.
Okay.
Now we have to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A. Determinant,
Mod
which
A.
is nothing but
Okay,
mod A.
determinant.
I'll do it directly. That is plus minus plus is the rule. Plus minus
Okay.
plus. So from 2 if you start, corresponding column and row we neglect. AD. AD means 4 ones are 4 minus BC 5 ones are 5. Second element is started with the minus sign. Corresponding column and row we neglect. This is 4 ones are minus 4 and this is minus 5. Bracket close. Minus 1 into corresponding row and column we have to neglect. 5 ones are 5 minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5. This is equal to 2 into it is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 plus 5 is 10. Then if
10.
you simplify further, it is minus 2, minus into minus plus 9, minus 10. Okay, this is a positive 9, negative minus 12, which is equal to minus 3, which is not at all 0. So if determinant is not 0, we can proceed further. We can actually x and y and z we are finding. Our target is to find out x value. Our target is to
Mhm.
solve means x, y, z variables we have to find out. Understand?
Okay.
Now we have to find out A1 value. A1, or we can say that it is delta 1. Delta 1. Delta 1 is equal to how to get the delta 1 value. Delta 1 means the first column of this matrix A should be replaced with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
2.
Rest of the two column keep it as it is. Rest of the two column keep it as it is. And then if you apply determinant rule, along with this one, if you start your work, corresponding column and row neglect 4 ones are 4 minus 5 ones are 5. Second element with the minus sign, column and row neglect 4 twos are 8 minus sign minus 3 ones are 3. Minus 1 into column and row we neglect 5 twos are 10 plus 3 ones are 3. So it is if you
3.
simplify 1 into 1 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 into it is minus 11. Minus 1 into it is 13. So if you simplify minus 1 minus into minus plus 11 and it is minus 13. So minus 13 minus 1 is minus 14 plus 11 means your answer should be minus 3. After that, del 1, we have to go for a del 2. Del 2 means only second column we have to replace. First one we don't
Okay.
want to disturb. Second one we have to replace with 1, 2, 3. And then minus 1, 1, minus 4. Now again the rule will be same. Plus minus plus is the rule. We take two corresponding column and row like that. Minus 8, minus 3. Okay, row and column. Second element with minus sign, column and row we neglect. Column and row we neglect. It is minus 4, minus 5. Now third one with the minus sign already. Column and row neglect. 3 ones are 3, minus 5 twos are 10. So if you
10.
continue this process, 11 here, minus 1 into minus 9 here, it is
9.
minus 1 into minus 7 here. So the answer will be minus 22 plus 9 plus 7. So which is equal to minus 22. This is a 16 plus 16, which is equal to minus 6. Delta 2 value is minus 6. Moving to the
Minus
next
6.
page. Okay. Is
Yeah.
this speed is okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now next. We have to go for del 3. Delta 3 that should be obtained by
Two,
replacing
one,
third column
one,
with 1, 2, 3. First two we don't want to disturb. 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. The second is what? 1 minus
1
1,
minus
5.
1, 5.
Okay, 1 minus 1, 5. Sorry, 1 minus 1, 5. Same
5.
determinant, 2 into corresponding column and row neglect. It is 3 minus 10, minus 1 into
3.
column and row we neglect. 3 1 are 3, minus 5 2 are 10 plus 1 into. It is 5 plus 5. Now this is equal to 2 into minus 13, and this is minus 1 into minus 7. This is 1 into 10. This is equal to minus 26 plus 7 plus 10. This is 17 minus 26 means your answer is minus 9. To find out x, the formula is delta 1 by delta. To find out y, the formula is delta 2 by delta. To find out z, the formula is delta 3 by
Yeah, 3
delta.
by
If
delta.
you plug in the values, minus 3 by minus 3 means x is equal to 1. That is, second value is minus 6 by minus 3 means it is 2. Minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are. And this is minus 9 by minus 3 means that the value is 3. This is 1, 2, 3. We got the solution. If you want to verify, your 2 ones are 2. My plus verification is also done. If you want to verify, you can verify anywhere. You can plug the values, you can get the answer. This is your Cramer's rule we have done. स्पीड करने को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको समझ में आ रहा बोल के हम स्लो करें, कोई बात नहीं, आपको समझ
जी।
में आ रहा, जल्दी जल्दी भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, अब नेक्स्ट पेज पे जाइए सर, 1 मिनट, आप इसके नीचे
जी
के पेज पे।
जी।
ये ओके। एक्स वाई जी, यस।
ओके, तो दिस
हाँ, थ्री
सेशन
टू
इज ओवर
1
टुडे
2,
नाउ।
यस।
एंड प्लीज आज आप फीस कैसा भी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए, अभी तक नहीं हुआ, 24
हाँ
आवर्स में।
सर, मैं कर देती थी। आप कहाँ पे रहते सर? क्योंकि कैश है, अगर आप
मेहदीपट्टनम पे
कहाँ
रहता
पे
हूँ, मेहदीपट्टनम मेहदीपट्टनम।
अच्छा, मेहदीपट्टनम पे रहते आप भी। ठीक है सर, मैं